Heirloom Cottages is the neatest little neighborhood here on the east side of American Fork. American Fork is located in North Utah County, just east of Lehi and west of Pleasant Grove, and it's also northeast of Utah Lake. The little red pin shows where Heirloom Cottages is in American Fork. Coming into Heirloom, here is Socks the cat. He's a pretty cool cat. You'll notice that there are little narrow driveways that lead to the back where there are more houses located in the back. So these houses in the back have a little bit more privacy. These houses here are classified as townhomes. They were built in a fourplex cluster cottage style, thus Heirloom Cottages. They were built in 2004 to 2007, and garages and or walls are connected. So there are 11 fourplex clusters and 1 twin cluster, so 46 homes altogether. There are basically 3 different styles, even though each house is a little bit different. There are some 3-level, about 3,000 square feet, some Rambler Ranch style with 2 levels, around 2,400 square feet, and some single level around 1,400 square feet. So a mix of everything. They each have a small fenced patio or backyard, and we'll see inside one of these homes in a minute. There is an HOA fee currently at $255, which includes landscaping, snow removal, the pool and hot tub, maintenance on a small park and pavilion, and water and trash are paid through the HOA. We're going to go inside a Rambler Ranch style house that is for sale. This is what $465,000 will buy you in Heirloom Cottages. Coming into the living room, dining room, there are tiled floors, vaulted ceilings, a gas fireplace. To the right is and out the doors is a small fenced patio. Going into the kitchen, we have beautiful alderwood cabinets and granite countertops. A range and oven, built-in microwave, and a dishwasher. A half bathroom with a vessel sink. The primary bedroom has a TV mount already on the wall. It's also got vaulted ceilings. Here's a walk-in closet. And a primary bathroom with double vanity, walk-in shower, and a jetted tub with updated tile, toilet with a bidet, fancy living, a towel closet. Coming back into the kitchen, here's a pantry with some chalk paint on the front. The laundry room also has granite countertops. Washer and dryer are included. There's coat hooks. Coming into the garage, this is my favorite part probably because look at all this storage. It's crazy. What would you put in all these cabinets? Okay, going downstairs into the basement, we have a second living room. There is a home theater system here with surround sound and a projector, another gas fireplace. And coming into this room, built-in shelving, a wet bar with a mini fridge and a microwave, and a built-in desk. Okay, coming into the second bedroom, there's also a TV mount in this bedroom. And a second bathroom. This is a full bathroom with a bathtub and shower. There is a tankless water heater and a water softener. And more storage underneath the stairs. This is a feature that a lot of buyers might miss, and that is that you are up a narrow driveway in the back. So just to get to the road, you have to go a little ways, and that means there's going to be a little bit more privacy for you back here. A lot of times people don't even realize there's houses back here. These homes might be perfect for busy professionals who don't have time to take care of a yard or shovel snow, or for seniors who don't want to have to take care of a yard or to have to worry about shoveling snow. It would be perfect for someone who wants to live close to I-15 or medical care because the hospital is so close. This would be great for someone who wants a pool but doesn't want to take on all the maintenance and the expense of taking care of it by yourself. Okay, here we're coming up on the Heirloom pool. It's a fenced pool, obviously. It's open from Memorial Day to Labor Day, and there are bathroom and changing rooms up at the top there. This is the park with the pavilion and the picnic tables that you can reserve during the summer or whenever. This is the cute little path that goes around the whole Heirloom community, and I would say it's about a little less than half a mile. So if you are wanting to get out and get some exercise, this would be perfect. So while we're walking around the path, I want to talk just a little bit about schools near Heirloom. Kids go to Barrett Elementary if you're in elementary school, which is about a half a mile north and east a little bit of Heirloom. American Fork High School, it's within walking distance. It's about a half to 3/4 mile north of Heirloom. And the junior high is farther away, so the kids have to be bused up there for 7th, 8th, and 9th grades. There are also quite a few charter schools around that you could check out. A few of them that I can think of off the top of my head are Lincoln Academy and Spectrum Academy. Now, Spectrum Academy is a great school for kids on the spectrum. All in all, the schools here are great. Barrett is great. All the schools in American Fork are great. I don't think you can go wrong with any of them. Here is a little map of where a few things are in relation to Heirloom. Up to the right and a little bit north is Barrett Elementary, within walking distance, and to the north and a little bit west is American Fork High School, and then Mount Timpanogos Temple is just a little bit north of that, probably about 5 minutes driving from Heirloom. If you want to learn more about moving to Utah County, watch this video next.